What is DC motor? A DC motor is an electrical machine that converts direct current, DC electrical energy, into mechanical rotational motion. How a DC motor works. It operates based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. A DC motor works on the principle that a current-carrying conductor in a magnetic field experiences a force causing rotation. What are main parts of DC motor? The main parts of DC motor are stator, rotor, commutator, brushes, 5-shaft, pole, yoke, interpole, support, handle, etc. Stator, stationary part that provides the magnetic field. The rotor armature is rotating coil where torque is produced. Brushes conduct electricity from power supply to the commutator. Commutator switches current direction in the armature.